Welcome to Summarize Science. As our planet warms up, cities are facing a massive challenge. How do we keep functioning in extreme heat? A new study explored how people in 20 different cities adjust their daily lives when the temperature spikes. The researchers looked at busyness data from various points of interest across the globe to see if people just stay home or change when they go out. Instead of just staying indoors and doing nothing, residents in hotter climates have developed a clever strategy. They found that while hot days do reduce overall activity, the biggest change is actually when that activity happens. In places that are used to the heat, people shift their errands and work away from the blistering midday sun and toward the cooler evening. This is called retiming, and it is a crucial way that humans adapt to their environment without needing massive infrastructure. To measure this change in the rhythm of a city, the study introduced something called the Bactrian index. Just like a Bactrian camel has two humps, many hot cities have two distinct peaks of activity, one in the morning and a much larger one at night. The researchers found that cities like Doha and Kuwait City already live this way, with their busiest hours occurring long after the sun has started to set. Interestingly, even cooler cities like Milan start to look more like desert cities when they experience a severe heat wave. This suggests that shifting our schedules is a natural human response to rising temperatures, regardless of where we live. The data shows that this strategy has its limits, particularly in tropical cities where the temperature does not change much throughout the day. In these environments, people find it much harder to find a cooler window for rescheduling their lives. The study also noted that not all activities are moved to the evening with the same ease. Essential chores like going to the grocery store or a gas station are the most likely to be postponed until it is cooler. Meanwhile, trips to shopping malls or purely discretionary leisure activities might simply be canceled altogether. This research highlights that adaptation isn't just about planting trees or installing better cooling technologies. It is also about the temporal margin, or how we manage and govern the hours in our day. Governments and city planners might need to rethink store opening hours and public transit schedules to support this natural shift. However, there is a warning hidden in the data for our future climate. If global warming continues and our evenings become as hot as our afternoons, this evening escape will eventually disappear. We are essentially running out of cooler windows of time to get things done safely. To recap, the researchers discovered that cities adapt to heat by becoming more double-peaked in their daily activity. Hotter, arid cities are currently the masters of this, showing much smaller losses in activity because they are so efficient at rescheduling. Cooler cities are beginning to follow suit, but they face a steeper learning curve during unexpected and extreme heat waves. In the future, urban life may look very different, with midday breaks becoming a global necessity rather than a cultural quirk. Understanding these behavioral shifts is key to designing the resilient and livable cities of tomorrow. We must look at the governance of time as much as we look at the engineering of our physical spaces. Thanks for watching this summary on Summarize Science, and stay cool out there.